Active Learning Lesson 1.3 covers some of the challenges associated with active learning. One of the biggest challenges instructors run into is that instructors can perceive a loss of control over the course content. They might be used to lectures where they have complete command over what's presented. But in an active learning environment, they need to learn to be comfortable with putting some of this responsibility onto the student. And they also must learn to be okay with activities that don't have a single right answer. The active learning philosophy encourages risk-taking and exploration, so the instructor needs to learn how to thoughtfully guide students without just taking over. Another challenge is that many course developers find that creating active learning activities requires more time and effort than simply writing a lecture. Active learning activities must be designed to be as relevant as possible for students as you guide them along the learning process. This can be difficult to do. The rest of this training course is designed to give you some specific examples to help get you started. The last major challenge is that some students may initially resist some of your active learning strategies. Some students only expect to sit quietly without getting too involved, so when they're asked to be more actively engaged in their learning process, they might become uncomfortable or resentful. Some students may feel like the instructor isn't taking enough responsibility for actually doing the teaching, and feel like too much of the instructional burden falls on them. All of these challenges get better over time, but you should start to think of some ways to address these issues from the beginning.